Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands, and if you're stopping by, that means you're probably interested in one of our rings. So I won't waste any of your time and get right into unboxing the Rockstar, which is what we're looking at today. It comes in our custom wood grain box, so you know that something good is coming when that arrives on your doorstep or in your box or wherever you like to have mail delivered. Inside, we have a card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. It's my favorite font. I know, Corey, it's one of your favorites. I mean, it's not papyrus, but it'll do. Inside, we've got our customer service number, some QR code. That's how you phrase it when in the plural. And our social media. So if you love what you find inside of the box, which I know you will, post a picture of it on social media. You'll love it. We'll love it. Inside, there we go. The Rockstar. It is a brushed tungsten finish with a black plated tungsten sleeve, and on and off, no problem. Custom fit, perfect every time. This ring is one of the few that we have. It comes in 3 different sizes. So we've got 4, 6, and 8 millimeters. So depending on what your level of thickness preference is, we got you covered. Inside also, we have our black silicone ring for all of our rock stars out there who aren't looking to be as beautiful and shiny as this is right now. And we also have some promotional materials inside, one for 20% off Rosie Ray, our sister site for all of you lady rock stars that are looking to find some bling, as they say. Do we still say bling, guys? It feels outdated. And then some other promotional materials as they become available. So whether you like energy drinks or you are an actual rock star like Post Malone, maybe. Post, you only live like 30 miles away. Come down and see us. We'll fix you up. Check out the Rockstar on manlybands.com.